Here's some homework help for lesson 9-1, a couple of word problems that you had to do. This is number 28. We have this rope bridge that is being built between a couple of tree houses, and we're told that suppose Devon's tree house is directly behind Chang's tree house. So I would always encourage you as you're working through these word problems to just do a little rough sketch of a picture. So the way I'm picturing this, and I'm sure you could do it differently and get the same answer. This is Chang's treehouse, and directly behind is Devon's treehouse. That could be Devon. I'm not really sure. Okay, so let's see, what else do we know? At a distance of 20 meters to the left of Devon's treehouse, so traveling left 20 meters, an angle of 52 degrees is measured between the two tree houses. All right. So this is 52 degrees. And basically we're going to have this rope that's going to span this distance. Okay, and then actually I'm sure we'll come across the other side, but it's the same length. So we basically just need to find out, and of course this is a right angle, we just need to find out what this length is for the rope. All right, so looking out from this 52 degree angle, looking this way, I'm trying to find the opposite side of that angle given the measurement of the adjacent side. So remembering that that describes tangent. Tangent is opposite over adjacent. So I'm going to do tangent of this angle measured at 52 degrees is equal to the opposite side divided by the adjacent side for that angle. All right, and so I can solve for x by multiplying by 20 on both sides. And this actually is what I'm going to enter into my calculator. So you got your calculator, and we're going to do 20 tan, and we're going to put 52 in the parentheses. And to the nearest, doesn't say what to round to, but I'm going to do this one like the others. It's been pretty consistent rounding to the nearest tenth. I got 25.5988 and so forth, but to the nearest tenth, I'm going to say that's 25.6. And this is in meters. So that's our answer for number 28. All right, let's try number 36. We have this hang glider. He climbs at a 20 degree angle of elevation. Find the change in altitude of the hang glider when it has flown a horizontal distance of 60 feet. All right, so this is again going to be a triangle. This represents the horizontal distance, and we know that that's going to be 60 feet. Let's talk about this angle of elevation. That just means from the ground he's climbing. So an angle of elevation always starts at a lower area, usually the ground, and goes upward. That's why we use the word elevation. So I'm going to let this describe the angle of elevation, which we're told is 20 degrees. And then the change in altitude, that's going to be this leg over here of the triangle. Okay, so as he continues to climb, his distance above the ground is going to change, and so the change in altitude, this side represents his altitude change. I'll use the delta, change in altitude. All right, so we're going to be solving for x. All right, so looking out from this 20 degree angle, once again, I'm trying to find the opposite side given the adjacent side. So we are describing tangent again. Tangent for this angle measured as 20 degrees is the opposite side divided by the adjacent side. Solving for x, we do 60 tan 20 in our calculator. So 60 tan 20. And that's 21.83821406, but rounded to the nearest tenth, we'll say approximately 21.8, and this is in feet, of course. So we'll make sure we include the units. And that's my answer for number 36. And hopefully this helps. You got a couple other word problems. I pretty much set up number 27 in the notes. So see if you can come up with the final answer for number 35. I will tell you the answer since you're watching, but see if you can get this answer. Number 35 should be 25.3 feet. Okay, so give you a little bonus there, something to shoot for since you are watching this video. See if you can show your work and come up with that answer for number 35. All right, let me know if I can help.